Hi, this is Mike down at RV Depot in beautiful Cleburne, Texas. Today I want to show y'all a 2014 Itasca Solei. Itasca is a Winnebago product. This coach has 21,000 miles on it. It is a diesel pusher, 340 horsepower engine. So come on around, we're going to go around the driver's side. I want you to get a good canvas view. I want you to notice all the setups got Michelin tires on it. Remember, 21,000 miles on it. This beauty, side view cameras, so you're never going to have a blind spot when you're driving in this coach, okay? So backup camera and side view cameras. Now this is a 2-slide coach. Super slide on the passenger side and a bedroom slide on the driver's side. I also want you to note it has an awning cover slide out. So you're covered, no worries, no worries about debris. I want you to notice nice cargo, easy access for cargo on the driver's side because the slide out, you're not out of the way. You have these all the way down the coach. Same thing. And you can slide stuff underneath. These are great for tools, skis, bicycles, and water filtration system, your water system. And there's an old saying, RVing for dummies. I fit that category. It tells you how to do it. It's right here. Easy to use. All right, we're going to come around to the back a little bit more. Remember, Itasca Solei. Water heater system, very smooth. Notice the nice paint, decals on this. Very, very good shape. Very, very good shape. It's on a Freightliner chassis, 340 horsepower engine. Can't go wrong with that. Now, coming around on this side, this is what I was talking about, a super slide. Takes up basically the whole side of this coach. That's a super slide. Very easy. And even with this big slide like this, you can still get into your storage compartments very easily. Okay? No difficult getting in and out. Same thing here. Easy to use. Easy to use. Okay, coming around to the front. When you step into this coach, very simple. It's not overly steep. The steps are easy. You also have the slide out tray here to level the coach off when you're sitting in this, or you're just in for the evening, you got dogs or kids running around, this slides out and levels off. Nobody's falling down the stairs, okay? Remember, Solei, okay? And not Circuit du Soleil, not to be confused, you guys. Okay, over here, this is where you turn everything on when you come in. You have two simple switches right here. These are your battery disconnects, coach and chassis batteries. Turn those on, you power it up. Now, I'm going to close this in for you so you can see. Simple front, nice privacy blinds all the way around. You have map lighting on either side. Comfortable chairs. They are leather, cushioned seating. Display for your cameras. Generator control. This is a very simple, elegant coach to operate. I can't emphasize that enough. If you're a first-time RVer, this is a great motorhome. It's simple, but it's very elegant. It's very easy to use and to maintain. A lot of coaches coming in on this. This is done a little differently. They did something different on this. On your driver's side, you notice your refrigerator, which is a residential size refrigerator, is up front, which is cool. They just did it this way, so it's basically a flip of most of the floor plans coming in. So remember, full-size residential fridge, storage. Got plenty of cubbies, plenty of storage, spice racks, food, what have you. It's all in place right here. Now these are different. 3-burner cooktop stove. You got storage all the way down, 3 rows. Then you have a convection microwave. They're getting away from the ovens in these. Most of them now have convection microwaves. Very simple to use, very easy. Nice solid surface countertops. Beautiful backsplash on these. Double sink. Got the fancy faucet control here. Then you come towards your living area. Nice big display TV with your sound bar. Fireplace, it does produce heat. This is an electric fireplace, beautiful putting out heat. Where do you sit watching this? Beautiful couch. Now let's talk about this coach for a second, what you could do with this. This coach, you can sleep 2, 4, 6, 8 people in it comfortably. This table up here, I call them picnic tables, but they're very comfortable. This does convert into a bed. This table folds down, bed flops out. You can put 2 grandkids, guests coming to hang out. Easy to use. Notice, and it's all leather. Okay, notice that. Nice leather trim. Same thing on your couch. You have a fold-out couch right here. Turns into a bed right across here. Coming back this way a little bit further, this is a bunk bed system that makes this turns into a bed underneath. This also becomes a play table. Now, but how do you have a table there with this bunk? You have a powered bunk system that with this table and chair down, I want you to notice what's going to happen. When this goes all the way to the ceiling, you have an extra wardrobe. So if you need more closet space, here you go. And also it's lighted. Plain and simple. So you have extra closet when you don't need the bunk beds. But when you do have extra guests visiting and traveling with you, one of the really nice things about this coach, this has a half bath right in the front. Nice half bath. Nice, clean, simple, elegant, out of the way. Then as you come back towards the master's retreat, I want you to see this is your control settings. Your 2 slide outs are right here, easy to use. Remember what I keep saying, simple, in and out, very easy to use. Your thermostat to control your AC, which you can also control in the back. Very simple. As you come into the master's suite, I want you to notice it has a pocket door, so you have some privacy. So if you have grandkids or kids or what have you, or just friends traveling, you have a sanctuary away from them when you want it, okay? As you come into the bedroom area, I want you to notice something. This right here is a fold-down TV, okay? So you have fold-down TV in your room. So what does that give you? TV for you, and then a TV in the living room. If you want to watch if you have grandkids, they want to watch something else, and you want to sit and watch a game or a movie, you have your own television. Plenty of storage in this area, a lot of good storage, big cabinet space, hanging closets, all the way across. It goes all the way across to both ends. 4 big drawers underneath. Now the best for last. You have a full bath with a walk-in shower. And then beauty and behold in here. Oops, I'm clumsy. Look here. Washer. And then you go over here, you have a dryer. So this coach is set up for full timing or if you're a summer traveler, you need to be able to wash clothes. You have a washer and dryer, walk-in shower, your own bedroom. So this coach has many practical uses for a family. Believe it or not, this coach is good for the empty nesters, but it's also good for a family because you can convert this to a 2-people coach or an 8-people coach. 2014 Itasca Solei, 21,000 miles on it. It's at RV Depot in beautiful Cleburne, Texas. Write, call, text us, email us, hit us up on Facebook, find us on YouTube. We'll be glad to take care of you.